feel like this is the most waited video ever. I just feel like it. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we are finally going to install my body kit that I purchased last month. So, if you guys don't know yet, for the fronts, I am running an OEM 180SX front bumper, also with the sides extension. I'm also using a 180SX Type X by Dorky front lip. So the cool thing about this front lip is that it's a polyurethane, so whatever happened, it'll just basically, it will not get destroyed. So I'd rather have this than a fiberglass lip, since I'm running too low and I don't know how to fix fiberglass. So then for my side skirts and rear valances, I went ahead and picked up a Finelinetuning side skirts and rear valances. So the side skirts that I picked up, these are called the Hotroad Replicas. So these are the Hotroad Replicas. So they kind of look like a Type X side skirts, but they're more aggressive. So as you guys can see on the line of the side skirts, they kind of flow downwards and it looks more aggressive. So I purchased this a long time ago, and I waited like 3 months before I get the actual side skirts, because they said it was ordered to made and it took them a while. So finally installing it. I already did the side skirts, since they're a lot easier to install. It's literally direct fit. I did not do anything else. I would give Finelinetuning a 10 out of 10 for their replica body kits, but I would give them a 1 out of 10 for customer service. So if you guys know Finelinetuning, they really have a bad customer service, and I hated it. I hate having a bad customer service. I'd rather have a somewhat decent bodywork and a good customer service, but they really have a bad customer service. So that's the only downside of Finelinetuning. Other than that, body fitment fits amazing. So amazing. So I'll show you guys. This is the side skirts. This is what it looks like. So what I did, I only have one screw, which is on here on the front bumper or fender, left on the front fender. I only have one screw. Okay, the rest, even in the back, I don't have any screws. But I've seen this with someone else. I'm pretty sure it's been done already, so I'm just throwing it to you guys, since there's probably not a lot of videos. So if you're running a fiberglass and you are having a bad fitment, especially for this sides, like where the body line goes, you know, like by the fender side. So I mean, here you could just drill a hole, you know, it'll work. But you know, for some other body kits, you know, they have a bad for form, so they usually, so when you install them, they usually goes like this. So the trick that I learned from someone else, and also it's cool because you could literally have your side skirts or any of your body kits quick release type. So I have a you can't even see it, but if you guys can't see, I basically have a magnet here. So this is an earth magnet. So it is really strong, so you guys can see. Show you guys. So yeah, they're pretty strong magnet. So I don't think it will easily come off. So yeah, so if you have any side skirts or any rear balances, or maybe a bumper too, I don't know how it'll work, but on the side skirts, especially for the 240s, you could buy this. It's called earth magnets. So this is Macraft. You could order it at Home Depot. You could only buy it online. So I ordered that, and then I JB weld it on the fiberglass or on the side skirts. And yeah, so basically it's just literally a quick release. So if you guys can see it, see better view. Yep. Yeah, so I did that same thing on the right side. Magnet. So same thing, quick release. So yeah, so that magnet is pretty strong. It's really strong magnet, so I don't think it will come off. So yeah, so for you guys that don't know about this, you know, use this basically. So yeah, and then for the rears, I went with the same thing. It's also called a Hotroad rear Valances. It came in 2-piece originally. If you get the JDM one, the legit one, the authentic Hotroad 186 kit, it's a 1-piece. But for Finelinetuning, it's a 2-piece. I don't know why they make it 2-piece, so I will eventually make it a 1-piece rear Valances. So, but for right now, I'm just gonna install it 2-piece and then. Okay, right side is done already. So next up is I'm gonna do the left side. I think the left side is a lot trickier than doing the right side because of the exhaust. So
a few moments later,
full kit is finally on the car. Side skirts, rear balances. Come check this out. Oof. 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 Side shot. Looks so nice. Looks way better. So yeah, full kit is finally on. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna install, obviously you guys probably already know, that this thing has to go.